Hello everyone. This is Dr. Srinivasan, Professor, Department of CSE RMD Engineering College. In this video, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin mining. So mining is a process in which new blocks are created and added into the blockchain. Those blocks are validated through the mining process. Blocks, once mined as well as verified, are added into the blockchain. So the length of the blockchain will be modified by the inclusion of the new blocks. Mining process is a resource intensive one because it has to address the proof of work problems. The miners are usually compete with each other to find a number which is less than the difficult target of the network value. For that, they need more resources. The difficulty in finding the correct value is to ensure that the required resources have been spent by miners before a new proposed block can be accepted. New coins are minted by the miners for solving the proof of work problems. This is also known as partial hash inversion problems. As I said earlier, it is a resource intensive work and it needs a lot of computational power as well as the electricity power. This process is important because it avoids the double spending attacks in the Bitcoin networks. Let us see the important task of miners. The first one is syncing up with the network. Once the new node joins into the Bitcoin network, it downloads the blockchain by requesting the historical blocks from other nodes so that they will create a new blockchain. Then the second task is uh, blockchain transaction validation. Transactions broadcasted on the network are validated by miners. They verify the signatures as well as the output. After that, with validations. Miners as well as the field nodes can start validating the block received by them by evaluating them against certain rules. These rules are drafted as well as coded in the smart contract. Verification of each transaction in the block along with the verifications of the null value will be done by the miner. The next task is block creations. Miners are responsible to create a new block so that they can store new transactions. Next, the fifth task is performing the proof of work. Miners are responsible for addressing the proof of work puzzles. They solve the computational puzzle by using their own resources. The last task is to collect the reward. So as soon as the miner solves the ask puzzles in proof of work consensus algorithms, it's immediately broadcast the results so that other node will notify it and they accept the block and they uh, drop their claims. There is a slight chance that newly minted block will not be accepted by other miners on the network due to clash with other block found at roughly at the same time.